Hello guys, how are you? Hope so you all are fine and enjoying your day. Today I have very beautiful video for you. Before watching my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share my videos to your friends. This is very beautiful video of a beautiful crochet sleepers for you guys. Today I have a variety of sleepers collection for you. Even if you are a crochet beginner, you can make it custom design a pair of slippers with a whatever color you like best. With so many different styles of slippers to choose from, flats to slipper socks, there is some for everyone in this video. Enjoy these more than 50 crochet patterns. These There are nothing better than sliding your feet into a pair of comfort slippers, especially if you have made them yourself. Here is why crochet slippers are an awesome project to try. Quick to make. Crochet slippers are fairly quick to make. Some of the patterns shown in this video can be made in just an hours, and that's great because once you make one pair you'll probably want to make more. It is the best to be comfortable with basic crochet stitches before starting on sleeveless pattern. However, if you are familiar with basic crochet techniques, you are the plenty of options for easy crochet sleepers that even you can make. One of the most beautiful projects I showed you in the video. The most crochet slippers pattern don't require a lot of yarn. In fact, many patterns can be made with one or a less skinny. The great gift idea. Crochet slippers make great gift idea for everyone on your list. Babies, kids, women, men, you name it. And because slippers sizing is pretty flexible, you don't need to worry too much about getting the exact right size like if you were buying someone else's pair of shoes. Of course, other benefits of making your own slippers including the customization options and the amazing warmth they provide. Lots of heat escape through the feet and heels, so keeping slippers on during cold weather is one of the easiest way to keep your whole body warmer. Choosing yarn can be the best part of any new project. If it can also be a little tricky when shopping for yarn for slippers. Keep these tips in mind. It must be comfortable, its durability, and its washability. If the slippers are not soft, they probably won't be used. So comfort is must thing. And the next is durability. Choose the high quality yarn so your slipper holds up for a good long time. If you want to toss your slippers in the washing machine, look for the superwash wool or acrylic yarn. But that said, you can always hand wash them too. To save you some time, you have included recommended yarn weights and suggested yarn weight. The slippers pattern in this video. Enjoy these free crochet slipper patterns to keep your feet warm. Happy crocheting. These cozy spa slippers are shaped using a front loop only and back loop only sequence. They are made with roasted weight yarn and held double for a ankle height sock that's not too warm for everyday wear. There are many beautiful colorful patterns in this video. This chunky crochet slipper pattern can be made in less than an hour. Create them as a gift or make them to warm up your own toes in a hurry. The pattern is available in two women's size as well as two different widths. This open backed slipper pattern is customizable. Make your slippers plain or add a pom pom or bunny ears for a silly and a fun design. These patterns can be made for kids, men's, or women's. These slippers are quickly polished slippers and made with the magic circle method. Uh, Open loop on the heel. You can also add to the bottom if you want to make them non-slip. You can add these super squeezy slippers can be made just in an hour or a half. They are available